In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC with some straightforward basic PDF edits. Whether you're new to Adobe Acrobat or just looking to brush up on your skills, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to make your document look just the way you want. To start off, we'll need to open up your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. It's a simple first step, but crucial in setting the stage for all the edits you will be making. Launch the Adobe Acrobat software on your computer. Once it's up and running, navigate to the File menu and select Open. Choose the PDF document you wish to edit. It's important at this juncture to confirm that you have opened the correct file where alterations are necessary. Once your PDF is open and ready for editing, your next move is to direct your attention to the top left of the screen where you'll find the Edit tool. Click on this option. Doing so opens up a wealth of editing possibilities and is your gateway to making all necessary adjustments and enhancements to the document. The Edit feature provides a comprehensive suite of tools that can be a bit overwhelming at first glance, so just stay with me as we navigate through them together. Now let's dive into the editing tools themselves. This is where you truly have control over your content. You can effortlessly add or modify text using the specific text editing tool. Simply click on the text you wish to edit to make your changes. To insert new text, just click into an area where there's available space in your PDF and start typing. Need to update images? No problem. Click on any image and you will have the option to adjust its size, replace it, or even delete it if it's no longer needed. These tools are designed to be intuitive, allowing you to focus on how you want your document to appear. After you've completed your edits, let's ensure these changes are saved properly. This is a step you definitely don't want to miss. Head over to the File menu situated at the top left corner and then select Save or Save, as if you wish to keep the original version of the document unchanged. Give it a name or choose its location and then click Save. Double check that your edits are in place by reopening the document, ensuring everything looks exactly the way you envisioned. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully edited your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to explore the various tools available and get comfortable with what they can do for you. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.